my sweeties, it's TeeElle and I'm back with another one. Hit that subscribe button, hit that subscribe button, hit that subscribe button. Come on and join the fun. Today guys, as you can see by the title and the thumbnail, I am back with another Dollar Tree DIY project. It is an Easter project and today I am making for my mom an Easter Sundae. Get it? Easter Sunday, Easter Sunday. But I think this project is so cute. I'm going to go over the items that I have here, but what I need you guys to do first is give this video a fat thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Say hello. And as the video goes on, just communicate with me in the comment section. Talk to me. I talk back.
Talk to me. I talk back.
So what I have here is, of course, I have my hot glue gun heating up with my hot glue sticks. The candies I chose are, these are my hot glue sticks. The candies that I chose are these cookies and cream eggs. I have floral foam. I wanted the round one, but they didn't have any. I don't understand how Dollar Tree went up a quarter and they keep selling out of everything. Okay, I guess. But I have one of them. I also have a pair of scissors, a straw, a glass, and I have this cute, super duper cute Easter garland, and it has all the little eggs on there. And that's all you're gonna need for this project, so let's get started. So the items that I have in front of me right now is my glass, scissors, the candy, and the styrofoam. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open up my candy and pour it inside of my glass. This project is super cute, super simple, and budget friendly, of course. It's Dollar Tree. So that's how many I'm going to pour in. I have like 4 left, which I'm going to eat after this video. All right, and I'm going to cut the plastic off of my styrofoam. This is going to be a very quick video. But today is Wednesday, so happy Wednesday to you all. I hope your Wednesday is going well. I hope your week is going good so far. I hope the remainder of your week goes good. Make sure each day is positive, productive, and peaceful. You're in control of your own happiness, so keep that in mind as well. So I have my styrofoam out, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to hot glue the rim of the glass and then place the styrofoam on top of the glass, just like that. All right, so let's get that done. And let me get another hot glue stick ready, just in case I need it. And if you guys have not checked out my recent Walmart shopping haul, go ahead and check that out. I got this pretty shirt from Walmart. It's so soft and so stretchy, super cute. $5. I was talking to my cousin in one of my comment sections on YouTube, and I'm like, yeah, my middle name is Clarence. Clarence. If you don't know, now you know. My name is Amara. I call myself TeeElle. My initials, T, middle name, middle initial L, so TeeElle. I explained that in my first YouTube video, but you guys can watch that after you pay attention to this video. So let's glue around the rim of the glass. My husband's fish tank is so loud, I do apologize for that. I'm going to go around a couple times. And I need to change my smoke alarm battery, so sorry again. My mom is really going to enjoy this super cute Easter Sundae, Easter egg sundae. So cute. What do you guys do on Easter? When I was little, we always went to church after we opened up our Easter baskets and ate breakfast and, you know, put our dresses on, our Sunday's best. And me and my cousin used to always sneak chocolate into our little white purses. And the one time our chocolate melted inside our little white purse when we were in a hot church. And we got in trouble. Okay, I'm going to stick my foam on there. Just try to center it as best you can and just hold it down on there. But I just missed my childhood so much. Like, I just, like, We had a ball. We had a ball. But yeah, I grew up in that family where, yep, Sunday, Easter Sunday, you're going to church. We didn't go to church every Sunday, but Easter Sunday, we definitely was at church. For sure. Each holiday, we would go to my grandma's house and my grandfather's house and eat and just spend time with our family. I would be with all my siblings and my cousins and all that stuff. So that's on there, as you can see. And that's what we're going to do anyway. So we're going to flip it upside down like that. Now, what I'm going to start with now is I'm going to grab my wreath. Not my wreath. Oh gosh. I'm going to grab my garland. And we're going to open that up. And I'm going to start off by gluing the very bottom of my my foam here. I'm going to glue all around my foam at the bottom. And what I'm going to do after I glue it is I'm going to begin sticking my garland onto that hot glue. But yeah, that's what we used to do on Easter Sunday. Now that I'm grown and I have kids, we wake up and we let the kids open their baskets, make breakfast, and just chill out. I did take my daughter to church years and years ago. We haven't been to church since. But we do watch it online. So I can use my scissors here to just put it down, because the last project, that stuff was all over my nails and I don't want that again. And what I want you guys to do is to follow me on Facebook. My Facebook page is lifeastelle. Go ahead and follow my Facebook page. I'm going to start going live on my Facebook page a lot. Uploading more reels, posting updates. I'm going to do a lot on my Facebook page. So go ahead and follow me and like the page. Follow. Share. Okay. So now that I have my garland wrapped around the very bottom, I'm going to leave it face down and just to continue going around. Just like that. So just keep on gluing. Keep on scratching. Okay. That school bus was really loud. Alright, so I'm just going to continue going around.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space.
So now you see that I have the top of the foam showing only the sides are covered with the garland. And what I want to do now is set that up. So I have my straw here. I'm going to stick it in my foam wherever I want it to stick out at. I'm probably going to have to cut some of this straw off so it's not too high. But take your scissors and just go straight into the foam where you want your straw to poke out at. Make a nice hole. And I have one of the straws that you kind of extend and you just twirl it. So I think I'll do that first. And then I'm going to cut some of it off. So I kind of want it to stick about, right there. About 2 inches off. And let's stick that straw in our sundae. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is continue to hot glue and wrap the garland around our foam.
Baby, I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't want to leave. You know, I wouldn't want to bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body says, my mind, and my body. My body says, my mind, and my heart. My body says, I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to show it you so amazed. How long can you go?
I think I have enough garland wrapped around there, so I'm just going to cut it off. Okay, and what I want to do now is I'm going to take my scissors and kind of just cut some of the eggs so that you can see the candy in the glass. I'm going to take my mom her Sundae today, and I'm also going to take her her Easter wreath that I've made for her. If you have not yet seen that video, go ahead and check that out. I'm going to post it in the description box down below. It'll also post at the end of this video, so you can just click on it. But I think this is super duper cute. I think I just want to change the straw a little bit. Let me see. I think that's cute. Let me see. I can extend it a little more. How about like this? Oh, that's cute. Okay. Yes, I think that's better. So, here's my DIY Dollar Tree Easter Sundae. Sundae. I want to thank all you sweeties for watching this video. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click that bell so you're notified each and every time I post a video so you do not miss a beat. Do me a favor, give this video a fat thumbs up, thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Also, leave in the comment section what you guys do on Easter. What do you eat on Easter? Who do you hang with on Easter? What do you enjoy the most about Easter Sunday? Thank you guys so much for tuning in to Life is TeeElle. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in the next DIY project that I'll be posting tomorrow. So I am out. Peace.